Hello, this is Shar from the Real Kitchen for Real People, and I'm coming to you today trusting that everyone is staying safe and being careful out there. And today I want to share with you a simple side dish, and it is quick and it's good for any day, really. But a lot of times we have it on either Sunday dinner or holiday. And the holidays are coming up, so you might as well get your ingredients and stuff ready so it won't hit you all at one time. Just get a little bit at a time. And this is one that I enjoy making. I like corn. Um, I like it if it's fresh, but of course you can't get it fresh all year round. But this is the Del Monte corn that's in the can, and it is the white and yellow corn that's in the can. And what I do to try to jazz it up a little bit so it won't be so boring, I drain it and wash the corn. I drain it out of the can and wash the corn. And then I'll put a stick of butter in my skillet and melt it. And once it's melted, then I pour in the corn from the can into the skillet. And then I'll take a little red and green bell pepper and cut up in there. And you will be amazed at just what that little those bell peppers do. And it just makes it so tasty. So this is a simple side that you can try. This is a short video. And like I said, I don't like to spend a whole lot of time in the kitchen, especially during the summer months. But I still like to have those good nutritional uh, side dishes and food entrees. So be sure to check this out and try it. It really is good. And you can add onion in there if you want, green onion or whatever. And sometimes I'll add like a teaspoon of honey to kind of give it a little sweet taste. But try it and let me know how you like it by commenting below and sharing it with others. Share it with your family. And subscribe. That really helps if you subscribe and also sharing. So without any further ado, let's get with it. Love, love. Bye-bye.